Chad with Autel Diagnostics with a new solution that Autel has brought to you for more diagnostics. Autel has expanded your diagnostics with a new immobilizer line featuring the IM508 and the IM608. The IM508 features the basic diagnostics you would expect from an Autel MX808 plus all your key programming and immobilizer functionality. This tool is perfect for your Asian and domestic vehicles and covers the majority of the vehicles to program keys for high security and immobilizer reset. The IM608 adds all those capabilities plus European cars to do in-circuit and out-of-circuit programming. Let's go through the features of the IM508 and 608 to show you how they work. The IM508 has your basic diagnostics functions, being able to read and clear codes in all modules, live data, and graphing. It has all the service functions that Autel is known for in the service to be able to do oil life reset, electronic parking brakes, DPF regen, and so much more. But here's where the magic happens. Inside the immobilizer functionality is where we're able to program and relearn keys and all keys lost to your Asian and domestic vehicles. 85% of this is done through the OBDII port, making it even more simple for you to use the tool. The IM608 is based on the MS908S chassis, giving you the ability to do all the active tests, special functions, coding, initialization, and memory relearns Autel is known for. You will notice on the main screen we have two new icons, the immobilizer icon and the programmer icon. When we go into the immobilizer screen, you will notice all the vehicles that we can do key learning on. When I say key learning, that means adding keys, removing keys, even doing all keys lost. The programming is done via the OBDII port, just like on the IM508, on 85% of the vehicles in North America, making the process even more simple for you to add keys and remove keys to vehicles. Autel understands that adding keys and taking keys away may be a daunting task. So with this process, we have added all the step-by-step features that you need to know to be able to program keys to your vehicle. In this example, we're going to use a Chevy Volt. So if I go into GM, I can AutoVIN the car and automatically pull up the vehicle information. You will notice on these vehicles, we're able to pull the pin directly from the vehicle to be able to relearn keys. And yes, that includes Chrysler pins. On this one, we're going to read the immobilizer password. And then we have password reading to go to the next step. By reading the password, the tool will store that password to be able to relearn your keys. From the diagnostic tool, we'll be able to see number of keys, add smart keys, and all keys lost. This gives us the ability that even if you're missing all keys for your vehicle, this tool will be able to force on the ignition and relearn new keys to your car. You'll also notice that the tool provides information on each vehicle. This information includes the key type, how many number of keys the vehicle currently has, and what style of key and what the key looks like. This really narrows down the process when programming keys. All the relevant information is going to be based on the tool. Simply follow the directions, go step by step, and the tool will walk you through the process. The magic of the IM tools is in the key programmer. The IM508 comes with an AP200. This is where we place the key to read, write, and learn keys to the vehicle. On the IM508, it comes with an XP400. This tool allows us to do infrared keys on Mercedes, IC keys on some of the new Hyundai Kias, and be able to do EEPROM functions on European vehicles. The IM608 also comes with a J2534 flash programming device. For more information about the Autel line of immobilizer tools, visit autel.com.